We've been around since 1865. We are the longest standing manufacturer in the state of Minnesota, and that's something we take a great deal of pride in. The name of our town, Faribault, is on our building. It's on our label. We've been in this building since 1892. This is the new mill. It's on the National Register of Historic Places, but the original mill was started just down the street in 1865. And since that time, we've been perfecting our craft. We make handcrafted wool and cotton throws and blankets, as well as other apparel and accessories. The equipment we have here, it's a charming operating museum, as we like to talk about, but we've made a lot of strides in this last year, especially to update and bring a lot of that equipment into the 21st century. So we've invested multiple millions of dollars in the equipment here that will allow us to make more product and improve the quality of our product as well.
We're quite an old company, over 100 years old, and we're founded right here in Minnesota. We develop, manufacture, and sell prescription pharmaceuticals, make mostly generic products, but we do sell some brands as well. And then our generic products really span a number of different therapeutic areas. The company was founded by a gentleman named Frederick Alfred Upsher-Smith. And from that, the company grew, and most of the pharmaceutical industry is located on the coast. So we're a bit unique in that we're one of the few manufacturing and pharmaceutical companies in the Midwest. Geographically, it's been very good being centrally located, so we can reach really the entire country in 24 hours or less.
We manufacture testing equipment for both plumbing and underground. The company was first formalized in 1953. A gentleman by the name of Lloyd Cherne. He was a Edina native. When we moved into this facility, we wanted to make sure that we could test our product to the fullest capabilities in-house. So we have a engineering lab that we can do destructive testing with. So we stand by our product, and that's what we're known in the industry for. We really had to start thinking outside the normal processes, and we started doing a lot of innovation, robotics, automating some of the lines here. It has actually grown our company. When we first started off doing this, we probably had 80 associates total, and we've grown to 136, and we're looking to grow that to about 150 in 2024.
Arctic has been in Thief River Falls for over 60 years, and we are a very iconic brand in the snowmobile industry. So I think it's important for people to understand that way up here in northern Minnesota, underneath one roof, is where we do the design, the development, the compliance, all the manufacturing of all of our snowmobiles, side-by-sides, and ATVs. So we're really unique in that way. Thief River Falls is a great community. We have so many people that live here that either have friends or a family member that actually work at Arctic. In the last couple of years, we've actually launched a couple very innovative products. We've done an all-new ATV and a new engine from the ground up. In this year, we will be launching an all-new snowmobile, a very mass centralized snowmobile that is going to light our industry on fire.
The company's evolved many times throughout the 45 years in business. We have a complete tool and die department. Actually, that's where the company started out, was making tooling for other companies. And we do machining, we do assembly, we do forming, punching, heat treating. So we're a full service machine shop. But our largest customer is Arctic, and we pride ourselves in being Arctic's right hand. Whenever they need something, we're the guys they can count on to get it done. We landed a big project with Marvin Windows, which is, again, just down the road from us. This part of the business, I think, is going to be a big part of the future.
Pride Solutions is a 20-year-old manufacturing company. We specifically focus on plastics fabrication, CNC machining, compression molding, contract assembly work, and then we have two different brands of our own. May West Manufacturing, which is agricultural products, and then CNA Pro Skis, which is snowmobile skis, fitting for Minnesota. So the name May West comes from the original owners of that company, Mavis and Wesley Bruns. They were the first people to put plastic skid shoes underneath combine headers, specifically corn headers. And that's still what we do today. Our products are designed and purpose-built to protect equipment that is quite expensive for farmers, but how we manufacture them has changed quite a bit. From in the early years using hand tools and old metalworking shears to cut the plastic. Well, now we use CNC machines, CNC press brakes, that sort of thing. SolidWorks for programming those machines, so it's utilizing current innovative technology to build the parts better, faster, and ultimately a better product for the customer.
We've been making blankets since Abraham Lincoln was president. And you think about the generations that have come before us in this building, we stand on the shoulders of a lot of men and women who made this place and this town what it is. So that's something we take very seriously, and it's a legacy that's a key part of who we are as a company.
Upsher-Smith is very innovative, not only on the technical side, but also commercially. We've done some unique things with bringing branded generics to market in order to provide a lower cost product to patients. We're very committed to being here in Minnesota. We're very proud of manufacturing in the United States, and we're making investments to back that up.
But we're trying to bring everything that we used to farm out back into this facility. So you got a better control of your quality, you can control your costs, you can control delivery. We're not always the cheapest, but we're the best. That's kind of our motto, is test with the best.
Very proud to be a part of the organizations up here, to be members of the community, to be a Minnesota manufacturer. And we really listen to what our employees have to say. We live our core values. One of them is we win when we work together.
If you're not evolving and you're not changing, you're dying, right? And Ericco's anything but that. We are on the move, so it's exciting.
There's a lot of manufacturing in Minnesota, specifically in Hutchinson, where we're located. I wouldn't see us going anywhere. This is home, this is where our roots are, and proud to be a manufacturing company in Minnesota.